Welcome to the All That and Denson YouTube channel. My name is Randall Denson, and today I'm going to share with you how to draw an ear. But before we get started, would you please so kindly tap that subscribe button, tap that like button, and also hit the bell for notifications. First, you're going to make a vertical line, and then you're going to draw an oval over the top. One side should be bigger than the other. The big side is where our ear is going to go. Mark a spot for the top of the oval and the bottom of the oval, and that's where our earlobe will go and the top of our ear. We're just going to make little curves, little small curves on both top and the bottom. Now trace the top half of that oval, trace a little bit of the bottom half of that oval, and then diagonally connect them. You can now erase the oval guidelines. On the bottom third of the ear, make a mark which will create the bottom of your tragus. Then basically draw a small D to create the tragus. Then you're going to draw the small bump underneath that one, connecting that one to the tragus, and this creates the antitragus. Now arch that bottom line and connect it to the top of the tragus. Then at the top of the tragus, draw two downward lines to create the helices. Now take that line that you just drew and arc it around the top of the ear to create the helix. Next, you're going to mark a line in the middle of the ear and curve it down to create the antihelix. Going to add that little ear detail here, the fossa. Now you can erase your final guideline and you can take away that middle line. You can take this time to darken your lines, make them a little more visible. Now I'm going to begin to shade. I'm going to shade the inside of the ear canal, underneath the antihelix, and right inside the helix. Then I'm going to shade a little bit on the inside of that earlobe and on the top of that ear, both in the inside. Then you blend it all together. And you, my friend, just drew an ear. And that concludes today's tutorial on how to draw an ear. If you enjoyed today's video, please tap that bell for notifications to be notified for future videos just like this. As always, I appreciate you joining me. Have a blessed day.